Well, now I'd like to position my adult entertaining area on the site. What I've done, I'll just right click to show you. What I've done is changed my step size to 1200, 2 paving bricks effectively, and I've got a bold step of 2, so they'll appear at 2400 intervals. I could change that to 3 or 4. If I went to 4, that would be 4 times 1.2, or I could go 3 and 3. You can play with these bold step settings. So I've just changed them to 3 now. So each one of these is 1200, but there'll be every third there'll be another one. So it gives me a chance to sort of position my layout. I'll just take snap off temporarily. I want to show that in this area, as you step out of the house is on the left. As you step out in here, I'd like to use some decking. So our outdoor entertaining area will sit in this zone through here, and with those bold steps set, it's pretty easy to draw. I'll put my snap back on. I can go draw and line and go from here up to that bold step, across to that bold step, and down. You can see that each I've defined an area 3600 by 3600. It's a square, so we can put our paving bricks inside that zone very, very easily, and we'll show you how to do that in a moment. But this area will be a massive deck area stepping down into a paved area through there, allowing for some planting in this little zone between the paving and the fencing, and we'll then develop this area up as we go. We might in fact put underneath here a rainwater tank, and you could position that in position now, but you'd be looking at the specification from the manufacturer to see how we'd put an underground rainwater tank in there. I'll draw, while I think about it, from there across to there, and I can position a circle, so draw a circle radius, and I can pick the circle up by the midpoint. You notice at the moment we're snapping to the end points of those lines with that little flyover. That gives me a chance to say, let's turn on mid. So now we can locate our circle at the midpoint there, come out through here. That's a 1500 millimeter diameter tank, or a 3000 millimeter 3 meter wide tank. It's in, and we can click on there, right click and erase. So now we have a tank, or the positioning for a tank that'll sit underneath our pavers. So we'll run water from the house, storm water from the house into that tank, and use that tank to the water in the tank to irrigate the rest of the landscape design.